Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3Movers Summerside local and long-distance movers near me. Is it time to relocate and you need a cheap Summerside moving company for your needs? 3Movers offers the best local and long-distance movers for your specific needs. We know how to customize any moving package to make it easier to move across the country or just down the road. If you need to relocate across the country or to a city 100 miles away or further, we have the right long-distance moving services for you, including packing services, moving supplies, an on-time move, and upfront pricing. We offer all kinds of options to help make your relocation easier, no matter how far you need to go. Our team of long-distance movers takes the stress out of your move. If it's time to hire a Canada moving company for your local move, you're making a smart decision. Without professional movers, you could end up injured or with damaged items. Plus, you'll have to do all the work. When you choose 3Movers, you get a streamlined process to help you get to the next location faster. We know how to save you time and energy on your local move. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Summerside moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.